All right, good morning, Happy Wednesday. So, let's start out with the pre-market prep for April 24th. So, how's the mindset? How are we feeling today? I'm honestly feeling pretty sore. My body is feeling pretty sore today, and I'm feeling low energy. I'm feeling very tired today. I did get a really nice night's sleep. So, I woke up naturally at 3:50. Did my regular routine, cold shower, review. Yesterday, meditated, gratitude, prayed, goals, vision board, pretty much the whole 9 yards. Went to train jiu-jitsu, coffee, audiobook, clocking at 8. Slept around 7 hours, went to bed around 8:20, woke up once throughout the night to use the bathroom. But overall, had a really nice sleep and woke up naturally at 3:50. But today I'm really feeling really tired. Even when I went to jiu-jitsu, even when I was over there like stretching, I was like, fuck, my body is feeling pretty being, and definitely feeling low energy today. So want to take that in consideration and make sure that I'm not in the best mentally and physically shape possible to trade. So I want to take a little back seat. So today I am planning on sizing down a little bit. And I want to take a bit of a backseat. Today's main focus is going to be earning plays. We had a couple earnings, but I'm honestly like I'm gonna show up, but I'm not feeling that great to trade. So I definitely want to be cautious and take a little bit of backseat. If I see a clean setup, I'll execute. But if not, I think I'm gonna just take a backseat because I'm definitely not. I don't feel like I'm in the best mental state to trade, and I feel pretty tired today. So I want to be very cautious. But let's jump into the overall market. So SPY, we were actually holding above yesterday high day, but we currently broke, and we're holding pretty much right around yesterday high day. QQQ holding above yesterday high day, so both of them showing pretty bullish price action. I mean, if we could hold above, we could see a nice push higher. Looks pretty decent for move higher. Jumping into Tesla, so Tesla had earning, and we are gapping up. I have kind of like a bit of a bias, so I want to make sure that I don't let that dictate my action. But the earning report wasn't good. We actually missed. But Elon Musk pretty much gave a forecast for the Model 2, supposedly for next year. So that's why I feel like the stock is pushing higher. But I'm kind of getting like the vibe that this might just be a fake out. But again, I don't want to go in with any bias. I want to let price action tell me a story. If we push higher, I am planning on executing. If we see some clean setup, I mean, volume is there. We have really high volume. Of course, we did have earning last night, so volume is there. So I do want to my main focus today is going to just be paying attention to price action and let it tell me the story and wait for a clean setup. And if the setup appears, I will be executing. If not, I'm gonna just take a backseat. But that's kind of like the game plan. We are gapping higher, so if we actually push higher, break pre-market high, and show a pretty much nice clean price action, and create a nice bull flag or some type of pattern, I like for move higher. To the downside, even though I have a bit of a bias, I need to seek clean price action to the downside for me to like it to the downside. Jumping into pretty much Enphase. So Enphase had earning last night as well. With this report, we actually gap lower. So we were holding below for a very long time, below pretty much those two levels. I was liking it more to the downside, but now we're currently pushing higher. So again, I don't like the stock for a move higher, but yeah, main focus is going to be to the downside. But I want to see a break and hold below those levels for me to like it. And in pre-market session, we're already breaking above and holding above. And then we have BA. So BA had earning this morning, and we're gapping higher. Bigger picture, as you can see on the daily, looks pretty bearish. So again, it's going against a bigger picture, but we're gapping higher. So I just want to let pricing tell me a story. But yeah, we are gapping higher. We're currently trading right below this pretty much weekly key level. So pretty simple. We could break and hold above and show some clean price action. I like it for a move higher. But let's jump into the smaller time frame. So if we jump into Tesla, so Tesla, as I said, we're gapping higher. So pretty simple. I just want to pay close attention to price action. I do have a bit of a bias, so I want to make sure I keep that in check and not let that pretty much dictate my action. I want to wait just for clean price action. But obviously, if we actually push higher, I want to see a break and hold above pretty much those levels for move higher. If we want to break lower, I want to see some nice clean bearish price action for me to like it to the downside and create some nice pattern. BA, we are gapping nicely high. We're currently holding above 175. So again, for this one, kind of like same scenario as Tesla. I want to see us break and hold above pretty much this level and create some nice clean price action for move higher. To the downside, I mean, it's at this gap higher going against that. I need to see some clean price action to the downside for me to like it to the downside. And then jumping into end phase. So end phase, we had earning. We actually gap lower, as you can see here, but we're currently pushing higher. End phase, yes, I only like it to the downside. For me to like the setup, I want to see us break and hold below monthly and weekly key level. But currently pushing higher. So let's see what the market presents. But that's about it. Again, I'm not feeling 100% today, so I do want to take a bit of a backseat. I won't be logging into my brokerage account, my execution brokerage account, unless I see some clean price action. I do want to be patient, especially earning plays. IV is going to be pretty high, so either way, I want to wait for at least the first 5 minutes and let price action tell me the story. I don't want to jump the gun. I want to be patient, and as I said, I am going to be sizing down mainly because I'm not feeling in the best mental state. So I want to take that. I want to be cautious today. There's no need for me to push it. Yes, there might be some good opportunity. It's unfortunate that I'm feeling this way, but I need to also pay attention to that and make sure that I don't get out of control or get emotional or anything like that because of the way I'm feeling. I need to come in and pretty much follow my process. And yeah, I only pretty much the reason I'm behind the screen and I will be trading today. I mean, either way I was gonna be showing up, but the reason I am planning on still trading is because it's earning play and we can see some nice setup because of the high volume. So that's about it. But I know I'm not in the best mental state to be trading, so I do want to take a bit of a backseat. So that being said, that's